Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer video. Today we've got the Epson Workforce 3640. Basically, if you're having any issues with your print quality, a certain color just isn't printing, or an overall print quality issue, or even if you have an error code, I'm going to show you a method today that's going to help you solve that problem. So the first thing you're going to want to go ahead and do is you're going to want to check out your ink. Now, I have found that the main cause of you having an issue with your print head or print quality is going to come from your ink. If you are running your ink too low, all the way down to the end of its cycle, that is what's going to be causing that problem. So I'm going to leave a link right now in the description below. Go ahead down there now and click on the link where you can buy some brand new 252 Epson ink and make this project contingent upon you getting this new ink. Alright, so once you are here, once you've got your print head here, you're going to want to grab your print head and move it to the side. And then you're going to want to go ahead and shut off your printer. Alright, so next you're going to want to have a paper towel just like this, and you're going to slide it, you're actually going to place it right down here, and you're going to slide your print head right over it. Very easy. What you're going to want to have after that is a syringe. You're going to want to have a cleaning kit, which I'm also going to leave a link to in the description below. Very affordable for you to go ahead and get, and it's going to have enough cleaning solution for you to run a few cleaning cycles on it. So once you get your syringe, you're going to go ahead and put your syringe right over the nozzle. Now, if you're having a problem with a certain color, I would highly recommend that you start with that color. So if it's black, I'm on black now, and I'm just going to push this solution right through. Now this kit comes with some gloves. It's going to come with the syringe just like this and some cleaning solution. It also comes with some instructions. So as you can see there, I'm pushing pretty much all of the solution right through. And that's what you want to do. Okay? Be very careful. Always have another towel handy so that you can clean off the syringe. Okay, you're going to want to fill your syringe back up, and you're going to want to start cleaning again. Now, if I would honestly just clean all these nozzles, even if you're having a problem with just one color. While you're here, just clean all the nozzles so that you get that out of the way, and you can have those clean as well. So you would just repeat the process and just be very gentle with it. And within the instructions, it's going to tell you to warm up the solution. I never do, but that would make it a lot easier going through. But this is not having a problem. As you can see, it's going right through. Just be very patient with this. Don't stress out about it. And you're just going to go ahead and push the majority of it. You don't want to push all the cleaning solution through, because then the towel on the bottom gets a little bit too wet. But what you will end up doing is, once you clean all of them once, you're going to want to go over them one more time. I usually do it twice. So one half of a syringe bottle pushed through each nozzle, and you can do it more than that if you need to. So that's enough there, and then I would just go to the next one. Let's say I'm not having too much of a problem with magenta, and I'll just go ahead and push that all through there. Make sure you watch this video all the way until the end, so that you kind of know every step you need to take, and you do this properly the first time. The last thing you want to do is rush through this. So now I'm on yellow. You do not want to rush through this, because this is the video that's going to end up helping you. I'm going to explain everything very thoroughly, and if you have any questions at all, you can always comment below. I do a very good job of responding to most questions that I get on this channel. Alright, so once you're done there, you're going to slide that over, and your towel, if you notice, is going to be completely drenched in your solution. So if you're doing this a second time, you're going to want to swap this out. Now remember, you shut off the printer, so the printer should not be on at this point. But assuming that you've done this a second time, go ahead and wait until you have your brand new ink. Once you have your new ink, you're gonna put it right back in there. You can go ahead and print a test page. Okay, so of course you can always run a cleaning cycle through the printer itself, but of course you've already tried this. But just to show you, even after you've done this, you can even run this. You can go to maintenance, and you can go ahead and select printhead cleaning. You should have tried this already. If you have not done this step, that's the first thing you're gonna want to try if you haven't done it already. Now, after you've cleaned the printhead, the next thing you're gonna want to do is printhead nozzle check, and that is where you're able to put some paper through and test it out to see if you're still having a print quality issue. This method works 95% of the time. If it doesn't work, it's because there's a printhead issue. Now, if you're having a printhead issue, the printheads on these printers are not able to be changed, so you're really gonna need to just buy a new printer. Now, if you wanted to keep the same printer, you didn't want to get a new one because the ink is fairly inexpensive, or for whatever reason, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below for this printer. Go ahead and look for it down there. And I'm also gonna leave a link to a few others that use similar ink. That is if the cleaning did not work and you're still having a lot of issues, or now you have an error code. If you have an error code on this printer, cleaning the printhead could potentially solve that. But for the most part, I recommend always, whenever this cleaning does not work, because this is really the most I would recommend a consumer doing, because it's fairly inexpensive. Again, that printhead, there's the link in the description below. Cleaning kit is very straightforward. It's very easy to do, and that's why I recommend it. But anything more than this, I really just recommend getting a new printer. Now, if you just wanted to shop around for another printer, or you wanted more printer advice, go ahead and go to my website, bestprinterstech.com. There's going to be a link somewhere on the screen here, and also in the description below. So I'm really giving you a lot of resources, and I'm trying to be as thorough as possible so that you can fix this problem the cheapest way. Ink nowadays can be very expensive, so if you go out and buy a brand new printer from the store, you can end up spending a lot of money in ink over time. And that's why I'm kind of just wanting to create a new solution for you guys, where you can, because a lot of times they don't sell these models in the store, or they end up getting outdated, so you can only find them online, and that's why I'm giving you the source to that now. Okay, I really hope this was helpful. Again, if you have any questions at all, go ahead and comment below. Remember all the links that are in the description for your benefit. Make sure to like and subscribe as well to my channel. That would be really greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching, and until next time. Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer video. Today we're going to be talking about my new website, bestprinterstech.com. Now, a lot of people browse my website because they're looking to repair their printers. Usually they're buying cleaning kits, other times they're maybe needing to buy a printhead. But either way, this website is geared towards you as the consumer getting exactly what you need. So you can, step one is to try and clean the printhead, which is usually what you need to do. And for that, you can come over to my website here, and you can come over here to printer cleaning supplies and kit. Now, whether you have an HP or a Canon, you can click on one of these links, and it will take you to this cleaning kit, which I highly promote, which I highly recommend. And you just need to click on this image here, and it will take you to an Amazon.com, where you can go ahead and buy it. It's very, very inexpensive.